Let's talk about something every car owner wonders at some point. Are car dealerships overcharging for maintenance? This question sparks heated debates among car enthusiasts, and for a good reason. Dealerships often sell themselves as the gold standard for car care, but are they really worth the price tag? Let's peel back the curtain on this controversial topic. Dealerships usually justify their higher prices by claiming they have manufacturer-certified technicians, specialized tools, and genuine parts. Sure, that sounds great on paper, but does it mean you should pay twice, sometimes three times, the cost for an oil change or brake replacement? Here's where it gets tricky. While certified expertise is reassuring, many independent garages also hire skilled mechanics who have the same qualifications, or even more experience, but at a fraction of the cost. Here's an insider secret. Dealerships make a significant portion of their profits from their service departments. That's right, it's not just car sales. Services like diagnostics, routine maintenance, and repairs are often marked up significantly. For instance, a diagnostic test at a dealership might cost $150, while a local mechanic might charge $50 for the same thing. Why the difference? Dealerships know that customers trust the brand name, and they use that trust to justify higher prices. Now, let's talk about the upselling tactics. Have you ever gone in for a simple oil change and left with a bill for services you didn't even know your car needed? Dealerships are notorious for recommending unnecessary repairs or prematurely suggesting part replacements. For example, they might tell you to replace your brake pads at 40% wear instead of waiting until it's actually necessary. But it's not all bad. There are times when going to a dealership makes sense, especially if your car is under warranty. In many cases, skipping dealership maintenance during the warranty period can void your coverage. Also, for complex issues involving advanced technology or recalls, dealerships are often better equipped to handle those situations. So, what's the takeaway here? Be an informed car owner. Always get a second opinion if you're quoted a suspiciously high price. Compare dealership costs with independent garages, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Some repairs might be worth the dealership price tag, but not everything is. What's your experience with car dealerships? Do you think their services are worth the cost, or are they just exploiting our trust? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into car maintenance and ownership tips.